Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the address in CRA online in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on the official website of CRA, which is canada.ca. Over here, simply click on the option of sign in to CRA account. Now you just have to scroll down and you can choose any of the three options that are given over here in order to sign in into your account. Now, when you log in, you just have to first of all select your individual account in order to access your account section. Afterwards, select the option of profile. Now, as soon as you select the option of profile, you just have to simply look for the option that says contact information. After selecting it, you just have to press the edit button right next to the address. So after pressing the edit button, you just have to start updating your address. So make sure that you add new address carefully. It includes adding the street address, city, province or territory and the postal code. After entering all of the new updated details, make sure that you review everything to ensure accuracy. Once you are sure of it, simply click on the option of submit in order to submit your updates and your address will be successfully updated immediately in your account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.